How to get unlimited credits in Bingo Blitz. Obtaining truly unlimited credits in Bingo Blitz through official means is not possible. However, there are some ways to earn free credits regularly, enhancing your gameplay experience without violating the game's terms of service. So let's get started. The first thing is to obtain credits is by daily bonuses and spins. Log in daily to collect bonuses and spin rewards. This consistent engagement provides a steady stream of free credits. Another thing is in-game activities. Participate in various in-game features such as completing rooms and quests, finishing maps, just like this, and mini games, and playing regular bingo rounds. These activities not only enhance your gaming experience but also reward you with credits. And you can also visit Gift Center. Tap onto 3 lines there, and here you can find Gift Center. Tap on it, and from here you will get the credits. Now tap on to claim. Now you have got the credits. While unlimited credits are not available through official channels, consistently engaging with the game's features and staying connected through social platforms can help you accumulate free credits over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.